Hey people, it's time for dinner, and there's nothing great than picking your veggies from your own kitchen garden. Don't mind how mine looks. It has a lot of, we call it spaghetti, but it's spider plant. So the wind came, the wind blew all the seeds. That's why you see I've been enjoying these vegetables. But today we are picking up sukuma, collard greens. These are the soft kinds. So let's pick it up so we can go make ugali and other veggies that go along with sukuma. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh, it's not hard. They are very soft. You see how big the leaves are? That means we've put a lot of manure in this garden, and that's why we are getting good produce. Anytime you're doing a kitchen garden, you have to make sure you got manure like chicken manure, goat manure, or horse. But you have to pick a manure that is not going to burn your vegetables. So I think here we had chicken. Was it chicken or goat? I'm not sure because I didn't put it. I know my husband did it, and the veggies are loving that. So to my friends who live close to my house, you will get your turn of getting sukuma because I can't eat all this by myself. So this is going to go in smoothies, soups, anything that we can eat the vegetables with. Yeah. And then for the spider plant, I'm just waiting for it to get to dry up so that I can save the seeds. But at this point, we don't have a lot of veggies from this plant. You do it like this. Let me show you like that. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Can you try another one? Come pick this one. Oh, I'm picking weeds up. So, wow, Kaki is doing a good job. But don't step on the good ones. Move, we'll put the veggies inside. Come pick another. You didn't finish yours. Here, this one. Pick this one on the side. This one on the side. Awesome. Wow, you have so much muscle. Here, put this on your hand. You see, this is my purple cabbage, but it's not ready. It started putting the folds. So I know in a few weeks, if we give it enough water, we are going to be getting some cabbage here. And I think by that time, I will have pulled the spider plant, the spaghetti, out of this place, and it will look more cleaner. You want to carry this to the house? You carry them like this, both hands, like that. We go put them in the sink, and it's time to wash veggies, okay?
I want to help you put them in the sink.
Okay, let's go. My little helper is gonna help me. Yeah. Next video, we are cooking these ones. All of them. Everybody's gonna turn green in this house from eating veg.